How's it hanging, people? I have another STEM activity for us today. I tried doing it one way, it did not work with this cup of ice. I tried pouring water into there to see if it would. I tried pouring water in there to see if it would freeze right away, but for some reason it went wrong. I'm not sure why. I will have to do some more research. But I also saw I have bottles of water that are in my freezer right now. I read online that if you don't manipulate the walls in any way, they should stay in liquid form. So that was my thought when I poured it on ice. I saw a couple of people do that, and the ice started to rise. I wasn't able to get that one to work, but I also saw online that basically if you just take the bottle out in liquid form, bang it a couple of times, it should freeze. So that is what I'm going to attempt to do for us right about now. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm trying not to move it that much, and then ready, I'm going to bang it, and we are going to see if it will freeze. What? Oh, it worked! Alright, so now it's frozen solid. Well, that's cool. Yeah, so that's a little basic, so the reason why this happens is because there's no, oh, you can see it, right? Look at, it's slow, it's turning to ice right as we speak. See, and now it is all ice. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, yeah. So I wasn't able to make it work with pouring the ice. Well, let's see what happens if I got one more. I'll try that part again. All right. So, all right. Well, first, so the reason why this happens is in the freezer, it has no imperfections in the bottle, and if it just stays still, the water particles are able to interact with anything, which makes them stay frozen. Okay? So when I take it out and I bang it, that gets the particles moving around, and that is what makes it freeze. As you can see here, that this bottle is pretty much completely frozen. When I took it out of the freezer, it was not frozen. So that's a cool little thing that you can do, but I'm going to try this part for you again one more time. So, alright, let's see. So I'm going to take this plate this time, I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to put an ice cube right on it. Like so. Okay. So here's my ice cube. I'm going to take another one of the bottles that I have in the freezer, and I'm going to try to pour it on, and I'm going to see if I can get the water to freeze right to this ice cube, okay? Okay. Nope. Yep. So that one's not going to work, but it is pretty cool because we got to see this bottle freeze instantly. So basically, if you keep water in your freezer and you do your best not to move it, when you first go back to your freezer, I kept it in there for about 2.5 hours. So, if you keep the bottle of water in your freezer and you do not manipulate it in any way, it should try to stay to liquid form. Obviously, if it rolls around or something, it might freeze. But if you slowly and carefully try to take it out afterwards, bang it on your counter, you should be able to see it instantly freeze like mine did here. So if you liked the lesson, please try the lesson out. It's very basic. Your water will eventually melt, and that can be another part of your experiment, and you can drink it later on. But yeah, so check the Facebook page for more updates. This was a fun little STEM activity pretty much anyone can do if you have a bottle of water at your house. You can try pouring on the ice. I saw many places online. I'll try to post a video that shows that one working as well. But I don't know why I couldn't get it to work. I tried a couple of different times, but guess it's just not my day. But everyone, I hope you're staying safe out there. Check the Facebook page for more details on what we have going on, and try to get involved with activities. All right, thank you.